Today we will learn about how to add the equipments into our system and how you can create the equipment usage worksheet. So for adding the equipments into the system, you have to go to the master records, click on the add equipments. Here we have two options, rented equipments or the company owned. If you are entering the rented equipments, you have to click on the rented. Now for adding the new equipment, you have to click on the add new. Write down the equipment's name, like I have added equipment's name. You have to define who is the contractor for this equipment, because this equipment is the rented equipment. I am adding some equipment number. You can also define the rate per hour. So it will automatically calculate all the bills for that equipment. So I am defining like 1000 rupees per hour is the rate. It is a diesel equipment and measurement unit also. For this equipment fuel type, this measurement unit is for fuel type. Now you can save the equipment. Same thing you can do for the company owned equipment. So in company owned, you can get options of adding the equipment's name, number, purchase year. Here you can also manage the maintenance of a specific equipment. If any equipment is goes to the maintenance, you have to come to this master record screens and you just go to edit this equipment. Here you can find two options in maintenance and equipment transfer. So you can manage that both the things in a equipment usage. Now we will learn about how can I manage the equipment usage worksheet in specific project. So for managing that, you have to go to one project, click on the equipment usage. Here, if you want to create the new worksheet, click on this add new. Here you have to define like which kind of a equipment is working at the site. So it is the rented equipment. I can select one equipment. Now you can define who is the operator, who is supervising this work. So from your team members who was supervising and at which location this equipment is working. So I am adding as a common development and this basement work was happening. Now how much work this equipment has done today. So you have to add like 150 CFT of work has done. Now click on this add time shift and you can add like at morning this equipment has started and at 1 p.m. that equipment has stopped. 1 a.m. Now after 1 p.m. it again started at 2 p.m. and work till the 6 p.m. So our system will automatically calculate the rate and also the total working hour, and it will also reflect in the report of the equipment usage. You can also add the fuel consumption if there is any, and in remark you have to write down what work that equipment has done today. So after adding like runs and basement excavation, you can also attach the photographs of this equipment's usage at the site. Now if you want to add the details for another equipment, then you have to click on the save and add new, otherwise just click on the save. For view of the report, you have to go to the report section. Like here is the reports. In reports you can find the equipment usage report in this format, like in a table format. You can download this report in a PDF as well as in the Excel format. You can also check this all the reports in a daily progress report. Like see, this is the daily labor work, and here when you swipe at the left side, you can find all the equipment details report on this screen. You can also download this report in the PDF and into the Excels. So this is how you can manage all of your equipments easily with the build control. Thank you.